She's all the things I've got. She's everything I'm not. She's the whistle to my tune. She's the walker on the moon. She's the voice that makes me sing. She's the gift that wise men bring. She blossoms like a flower with every passing hour. She's the whisper in the wind. She's the judgment of my sins. She's the lyrics to my song, and she's the right within my wrong. She's the coal within my fire. No drug could get me higher. She's the breath within my lungs. She's as wise as she is young. She's the journey and the end, with every look she sends. She's the core of my beliefs, and she's the 8th day to my week. She's the guidance to my mind. She's the eyes that I'm to find. She believes in what I can do, and she believes in herself too. She's the field where my game plays. She's the time that consumes my days. She's the method within my madness, and the resting of my sadness. She's the shield that guards my pleas. She's the weakness in my knees. She's the final cut for me, the only girl that could set me free.